Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you. So today is just a random vlog. You are coming with me today to where I don't know. It's just a random vlog. So yeah, so right now I'm going to town to do some shopping. There's nothing here at home, so we need to do some grocery shopping today. So we are going to town with mom, so I am taking you with. So yeah, so I have been obsessed using this syrup to skin correct. Yes, skin correct. Yeah, I have been using this for my neck, but now my neck is becoming lighter. Yes, it's not bad, and Mina, I'm happy. Mina nje I'm happy ukuthi umqala wami uzoqala ukukhaya, because I was getting worried, yes, but it's fine. Now because I'm getting ready, let's talk about social media just in general. For the longest ngiyathanda ucreate, ngiyathanda ukuba creative on weekends nginazo sonke isikhathi to create or do what I love to do. So there's someone at the gate. I'll be back just now. Okay, where was I? So yeah, kade ngithi yeah, so enjoy wenza YouTube konke, but manje I find it sometimes not necessarily draining, but dismotivating, I can put it that way. If I don't see, sometimes it's gonna be high where I see my videos are going up, I'm like yay, yay, and sometimes I'll be so depressed. I'm like, what's happening? I love doing this. Am I not good enough? What is it? So sometimes I'll be all in my head so much, and I know that I feel like it's not easy to not look at the numbers, to be honest with you, even though this is the career you want and you enjoy doing and you enjoy creating. Sometimes it's just hard. I don't know if I make sense or it's me. And I started doing YouTube videos from 2020 to be starting to be consistent and be in this in 2017. And I just feel like I enjoy doing this. I love doing this, and I don't think I will ever give up doing YouTube or being creative, because I am a naturally creative person. I love doing things, so I don't think I will ever give up. But sometimes it does get into my head, the numbers. I'm like, oh, it's it's not happening the way I wanted it to. But I must just continue and just know that this is what I love, this is what I enjoy doing, and yeah, so that spirit keeps me grounded. But yeah, I just came to Vince, yabo. Yeah, let's continue because I'm going. So yeah, so let's see what I'm gonna wear. I want to wear something that will be so I want to wear something comfortable. So I need to do some clothes shopping right now because I don't have clothes to wear. Not necessarily that I don't have clothes to wear, but I don't have clothes that I enjoy wearing. I don't know if you get me, but I don't enjoy wearing this stuff right now. So it's outgrown me, I think. So yeah. But let's see. Yo, angazi ngizogqokani nkosi yami. And futhi ezinye impahla, they are tight on me because I'm gaining weight, obviously, but that's a story for another day. I think I'm gonna wear this dress. Yo. Give me this. Give me this one. Give me this one. Like literally, I'm so lazy to iron. I'm not gonna iron it. I'm telling you. And this one. Yeah. Ma? Let me show you my outfits. This is what I'm gonna be wearing today. So I remember I need to go wash the car also. So yeah, come with me. I'm a bit hungry, so before I go to town, I need to eat something. I am very hungry. It's an breakfast, and right now it's around 12 o'clock, if I'm not mistaken. So namanje we angikaze ngicina izolo yo iyakholexa kusho ukuthi kule nsuku yo yeah. Pilih. Kamu tadi best tidak kan?
Uyayikudraza ukitayenza we mawuphilile manje.
I decided to do a switch. I'm using my phone now because we're going to town, so I chose to use my phone. So I'm waiting for my brother and mom. Then we are going. It's literally hot today. I know the temperature too bias, but it's just the hot. Yo, my slips are everywhere, and I need to wash this car. This car is... Yo, I'm lazy to wash a car, but I want to start being consistent. I want to buy cleaning supplies for this car, cleaning things, yabo, for this car. And I want to be consistent in washing the car. Because vele ngihamba ku gravel, so nje my weekends I want to be a weekend wash car day, and I want to clarali ithini clarari ithini wonke igama lesingisi thoroughly clean my car, just myself, I want to start that beautiful habit, because the habit that I have now is just being lazy. I'm lazy to wash the car, so I'm going to wash the car in town. So while we shop, and we'll let them be busy washing the car. So hopefully I'll start be consistent washing the car. Okay, yeah. These people are taking long. Bengina izolo lokhe ethu yangithanda maningithathela yena nithi ngithande. Oh, it's vacation. Nani yini eswethatheni yini eshodayo funa kuba u4 ngezi nangu anyanyisi nga ubalo anyanyisi lona buza nyani ngationa ndo wona Ngizathi zinkwe ngakho. Alright. Mowa phakathi. Alright. Ngasase nona. Kusasa 2. Phela into uyazi mase uyidlile ukuthi banjani ngithi. I'm back from town. I am currently sick. I'm not sick, but I have a headache, so I'm gonna end this vlog. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna end. I have a headache. Ngiphethe ekhanda, like it's strong force. But
super famous.
I'm ending the vlog here, so hope you guys did enjoy my vlog.
I enjoyed.
So don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Bye bye.